can you, anyway, you are here.
Yes, sir.
After my
Yes, sir.
talk, you can say, you can wish our.
Karnanidhi sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
After my talk, you say some few words. I already said.
It's going on. Carry on, sir. Very good.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay. You are able to see my slides?
It was a very
Yes, sir.
extensive and exhaustive lecture. Adequate nutrition and the need of the hour, people must know. Yes, sir.
So, counseling or communication in IOCF. Okay. So, only because of my mother's milk, I am having this position. Maybe a professor. I am tall. Okay. So nothing. I was born in a very small village. She is not trained in any IOCF. Okay, they just gave breast milk, all other things. I used to eat lot of chalai mean, no, sardine fish, egg, country egg. I think she gave good nutrition. That's why no. It's a very basic school. Nobody taught me anything. It is a mother's teaching. I also remember my teacher, Dr. J.M. Subramaniam, who taught me the breastfeeding, complementary feeding, as well as for our Dr. Somsekhar also. This is the statue we installed at our ICH along with Dr. Somsekhar. So what are the barrier in communication? Because of we are not a good counselors. We are facing all problem. Okay, I think the quacks, just you might have not read even up to 600, 700. He is doing a roaring practice, and because he is a good counselor, he communicates nicely. All fraudster about the alternative medicine, they talk very nicely. No, we are not a good communicator. So lack of specific knowledge. You need to have specific knowledge about breastfeeding complement. Otherwise, you cannot counsel the mother. Lack of counseling skill, scientific way how to talk to a patient. We are not even we are not counseling our children, our wife or spouse. Lack of time. It's a busy practitioner. 100, 200 cases he is saying, what is it? Where is the time to talk about all those things? Lack of appropriate resources. See, your doctor can appoint a nurse or counselor so that he can do the counseling in appropriate way. So these are the messages you should go to the mother about the colostrum, advantages of colostrum, the exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months, initiation of breastfeeding up to, within an hour, as soon as possible or within an hour. God designed breast milk is a complete food. Even HIV mothers should breastfeed. Recently, the Nestle is around 40% is unhealthy. I think please don't buy any commercial food for yourself as well as other children. Have a balanced diet, at least 4 groups. Diversity is very, very minimal. We do not know what we are suffering from. Breastfed children are intelligent. It is proved. Breastfeed whenever your child is hungry. It is a responsive breastfeeding. Your child needs regular growth monitoring, which is very much lacking. Complementary feeding, what are you going to counsel? Breastfeeding up to 2 years or beyond. Starting other foods. Some even doctors are advising, don't give breastfeeding after 1 year. They become naughty. That's what, chat upon something like that they tell. Starting other food in addition to breast milk at 6 months. In addition, complement breastfeeding with solid food. Thick, solid, animal sources are good. I try to tell animal source, mutton, chicken, fish, everything can be given by 6 months. Even now, the MBBS students will tell, sir, egg by 9 months, mutton, chicken by 2 years. Please, it is scientifically proved. By 6 months, you need to give. Within 2 years, you need to do everything. Otherwise, you cannot do anything as the 1,000-day concept. From birth to up to 2 years. After that, the boy height will not grow, brain will not grow. Only that fellow will become obese. Sideways he can grow. Peas, beans, lentils, nuts, pairu vagaigal, from patani, all are very good for children. Dot green leaves. We always tell kira kudu. I have never seen even doctors, they take regularly. Growing child need 2 to 4 meals. Okay, it's all responsive feeding. Increasing amount of food. A child needs, please cut down all empty calories. The child eats ice cream, chocolates. They will not eat anything. Needs to learn to eat. And that is what the responsive feeding. I am going to talk about that. Encourage the child to drink and eat during illness. I think our Suganya is going to talk about the feeding during illness. And you need to growth monitor whether child is growing normally or not. That is very, very important. Active. So what are the technique of counseling? Active listening and learning skill. What do you mean active listening? When I talk to my friend Dr. Somasekhar, I do all sorts of things. Oh, boss, this, I show my facial expression, everything. But when I talk to my wife, I'm not at all doing active listening. No, it is listening. It should not be the way when you do the counseling with the mother. Non-verbal communication, your facial expression, your smile, your touch, everything is non-verbal. That is important. At least spend, as Dr. Somat said, spend 6 minutes. Otherwise, it is a waste of time. Keep your head level with the mother. The eye-to-eye contact should be there. You cannot stand or mother cannot stand. You sit there. That is not a good way of doing. Pay attention. You listen to the, oh, Abhiyamma, something like that you have to tell. Don't put a table in front of you and mother sitting some 6 feet away. Reduce the barrier. Take time. Give some time. They wanted to talk to you. Touch appropriately. You can touch the child. If your sisters or lady doctor can touch the mother. So that will increase the confidence. Ask open question like that. Emma, taipal kuduthiya? Ama. That is a close-ended question. Open question, man. What did you give? Then the mother will say, I am giving breastfeeding along with some bottle feeding, something like that. Are you giving all food after 6 months? Yes, sir, I am giving all food. Then you have to ask what food you are giving. You tell me one by one. Then you know she is not giving a proper balanced diet. Use responses and gestures that shows interest. Something like that. You body language. Oh, Abhiyamma, something you can say. Your facial expression. Reflect back what the mother. I am going to talk about that. Reflect back. Avoid using judging words like good, bad. When the mother says, I am giving bottle feeding. Oh, Enamma. That I used to do that many years. Nothing happened. I used to throw away bottles in ICH in 4th floor. I mean G4 ward. They easily they go and buy another bottle. Every day I throw. Every day they buy a new bottle. So your ultimate aim is spoiled. Empathize. I'm going to what is sympathy and empathize. Okay. So these are the non-verbal communication, facial expression, touch, movements and posture, eye contact, and gestures. So these are the things you can use it during counseling. So what is the reflecting back? Reflecting back to the speaker what it is to you believe they means this technique increases your own understanding, our own understanding, help the speaker to clarify his her own thoughts. These are scientifically proven and can reassure them that you are interested in that patient. In this way, if you talk, health workers ask, "Good morning, Madhuri. How are you? And how is Raja today?" That child. Okay. He wants to feed too much. He is taking my breast. So he's going on sucking at the breast. He is complaining. So the health worker is feeding. ரேடியோ குடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கிறானா அவ சொல்றதே திருப்பி சொல்றது, ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் பேக். தட் கிவ்ஸ் தி கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் சயின்ஸ் சேஸ். அப்படி அம்மா குடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கானா? மதர் சேஸ் திஸ் வீக் இஸ் சோ ஹங்கிரி, ஐ திங்க் மை எனக்கு ரொம்ப குடிச்சிட்டே இருந்து என் பாலே வரல. ஸோ தி ஹெல்த் ஒர்க்கர் சேஸ், ஓ குழந்தை ரொம்ப பசியில இது பண்றானா. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் பேக். I think sympathy. What is sympathy? Oh, good morning, Madhuri. How are you? And Raja today, the child. Okay, mother, Raja is not feeding well. I am worried. He is ஒண்ணுமே சாப்பிட மாட்டாங்க, ஒரே கவலையா இருக்கு. This health worker, I understand. How do you feel? எனக்கு புரியுது நீங்க உங்க சொல்றது, நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்றீங்கன்றது. When my child was ill, I was so worried. My child also, my child is, I am also worried, something like that. I know exactly how you feel. நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியுது. So this is sympathy. நீங்க எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுறீங்க, என் குழந்தையும் அப்படிதான் இருந்தீங்க. But empathize is, good morning, Madhuri. How are you? And Raja today. So mother says he is not feeding well. I am worried. He is ill. Health worker, you are worried about that. என் குழந்தை உடம்பு சரியில்லை, அதனால கஷ்டப்படுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் போது ஹெல்த் ஒர்க்கர் சேஸ், ஓ நீங்க வருத்தப்படுறீங்களா உங்க குழந்தை உடம்பு சரியில்லைன்னு. So this is some say of reflecting back only. This is the scientifically say this is empathize. The mother, yes, some of the other children in the village are ill. I am frightened he may have the same illness. என் ஊர்ல இந்த நிறைய குழந்தைங்க உடம்பு சரியில்லாம இருக்கு, எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு என் குழந்தைக்கும் அதே வியாதி வந்துருமானே. So this fellow is telling it must be very frightening for you. So நீங்க ரொம்ப வருத்தப்படுறீங்க, something like that. So this scientifically, the empathizing increases the confidence. So confidence building and giving support. Accept what your mother thinks or feels. Suppose mother thinks, I don't have enough. Oh, abdiya. Okay. Don't say all mothers can breastfeed. What are you? This is not the way. Let the mother talk through her or his concern before correcting any wrong idea. Allow the mother to child. Don't interfere. This is the way we are not doing correct. Whenever the mother says that I am giving bottle feeding, so immediately you interfere. Listen carefully to the mother concern. Whatever the mother says, please listen. Recognize and praise what your mother says, and child is doing correctly. Mother says I am giving breastfeeding and also bottle feeding. After that, you praise the mother for giving breastfeed. Give practical help. Suppose the mother says, I am having sore nipple. You have to give a practical help how to prune, because it is so painful. You can give some analogy, how to correct it. Unless you have the knowledge, you cannot give a practical help. Give little or relevant information at that time. When a mother comes with sore nipple, you don't talk about all the complementary feeding and the advantages of breastfeeding. The child mother is in pain, so you need to correct the positioning. I mean attachment. Use simple language. Don't do attachment, latching on. Do whatever you have learned. Don't tell it to the mother. Simple method. Why nariya paal kudikano? Nipple fulla vaayirukku, something like that. Use appropriate counseling cards. I think you can download it from this one. I think a card is available. I use it in my clinic. Make 1 or 2 suggestion or comment. 1 or 2 suggestion. If you do If you suppose the mother is saying not having breast milk, okay, you increase the night feed or increase the allow complete emptying. One or two suggestions. You can't give whatever you have. The mother cannot do anything. So these are the three steps in counseling: assess, analyze, and act. How you are going to the, so just greet the mother, Vangama, Ukaranga. So some initial question, enna pannadhu? Encourage you to talk. Listen what is being, as I said, active listening. Whatever the mother wanted to tell. And also build the confidence building. I already we have discussed about building confidence. So it is just confidence building. Breastfeeding is just nothing but confidence. Assess the age appropriate feeding practice. If the mother says coming at 6 months, you are going to talk about complementary feeding. The mother is coming at 3 months, you are going to talk about the exclusive breastfeeding. So you are going to analyze, identify what are the problem the mother is having. The problem is the 8 months, the mother is not giving any solid, giving only some commercial food, nothing else. This is happening. I have seen one child, 8-year-old. Can you imagine? He is taking some commercial food. He cannot chew food. Decide if the feeding you observe is age appropriate, if the condition of the health of child and mother is good. If there are no apparent defect, praise the mother and focus on providing information needed for the next stage of child development. If everything is okay, then you can go to the next stage of development. Analyze, identify difficulty if there are more than one priorities. The mother having so many, this fellow is not at all eating, he is not eating vegetables, he is not eating this one, that one. So you priority you have to, whether the mother is already started solids or not, that is the important thing. Answer the mother's question if any. So this is just put it in the net, infant and young child feeding, UNICEF, counseling cards. This whole some 20 pages will come down. You can take, I have this card, I just show them. This is all good counseling technique. It is eye-to-eye contact, no barriers. Okay, these are the counseling technique. So the first 6 months, no water. Then during next 6 months, no bottle feeding. I mean, first 6 months, no cup feeding, nothing, no water, nothing. Only otherwise the child can land up with sickness. Give at least 10 to 12 times during, I mean, at least 4 times in the night breastfeeding. So after 6 months, when prepare complementary feeding, hand washing is very, very important. So 6 months to 9 months, so at least 3 times food and some fruits. Is something, some similar. "12 to 24 months, once again, you can allow self-feeding. Okay, the child is jolly well eating. We don't allow them. That is a problem. So simple. The mother and child should eat everything here. Okay, all non-veg, all balanced diet. Growth monitoring is very, very important. We talk more about growth monitoring, but we do nothing. Also, you have to tell about the danger signs in children. So step 3, discuss, suggest a small relevant information. Okay, depending on analyze. Suppose the mother is having difficulty in giving some vegetables and other thing. You can, there is first few months, don't worry about the quantity and quality of food. What you give some food. Okay, it is a period of learning. Please praise the mother. Just monitor growth. That is the important thing. Don't go on till this much cup. That is, I am not at all doing that. I just do whatever available in the family food. Don't ask them to prepare this food, that food, and all. I just tell them along with your food you give. Share key information with the mother or caregiver using appropriate counseling cards. I have already told you. Help the mother or caregiver select one option she can agree to and try in order to address. Don't give too much. I am telling you, they will say, okay, sir, okay, sir. They will never do anything. I know. Because you are too much insisting on breastfeeding. They will say everything. Okay, sir, I will give. They will never give. Suggest where the mother or caregiver additional support. This is very, very important. Suppose some problem in breastfeeding, where they can go? Can I go and see a doctor? He may not be trained. Even after 40 years, I am not able to counsel the mother, give proper solution. I don't know. IVCF support groups all in the theory, where I can find out, I don't know. Confirm that mother or care knows where to find a community volunteer. Thank mother or care for his time. You should thank. Okay, everyone, even your spouse, everyone, you should thank your child. Agree on when will you meet. Okay, next time where you are going to meet, maybe after 2 weeks. So message, improved counseling skill will increase the confidence and satisfaction towards healthcare professional. This may be not only for IVCF counseling, for any counseling, breaking bad news or telling anything about the disease. So we need to learn. I think IAP TNS should arrange 1 day specific counseling skill. Patient likely to follow your advice. If you use all this technique, it is scientific. Everyone is using counseling their own way. Okay. Thank you very much.
So it was a very interesting and very lucid and very practical tips on counseling, act, analyze, and act appropriately. The AAA